Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got another one that came from Ferengi of Australia. Thank you so much for sending this over. Check this out. Man, I wish we could still get this in the States. This is Indomie, mie instan, mie goreng, rendang. This is good stuff, folks. 50th anniversary clothes for this one. Rendang is like you take beef and a bunch of seasonings and coconut milk, and it's just like this thick, super tasty stuff, almost like a coconut gravy. and it's really good. This one got munched up a bit, but it's gonna be a mie goreng, so I'm not gonna, trouble you with how that's just fine. I don't know. So it is August still, and that's okay. It's okay for it to be August. Yeah. Got about, 29 days until the kids go back to school. Gonna be doing a lot of reviewing. I went through and did a bunch of upgrades on the old the computer thing, and I am happy to report that now when I use the computer and the video editing, it doesn't freeze up halfway through. It was doing that for years. But now I have an SSD and 64 gigs of RAM in a machine I got 5 years ago, and it's like a brand new computer, so I'm pretty stoked on that. Yeah. So that's the deal. That is the complete full deal. And getting closer to Miles' birthday. That's gonna be a thing. I'm excited. We get to go to Chuck E. Cheese again. Chuck E. Cheese is a weird place, man. I'm gonna enjoy that. I want to get a whole bunch of the Chuck E. Cheese coins. I just want a bunch of them. I think that'd be neat. Yeah, there used to be other varieties of Indomie available here. This one is no longer available in the States. There was the special fried curly noodle, the grilled chicken flavor one. Those were really good. There was a skipjack tuna variety, which went away too. I don't know. It's not like the chicken ones had chicken in them. At least I don't think they did. But maybe they just weren't popular. Maybe it was a sourcing issue. But yeah, they're gone. And it's a bummer. But thanks to Ferengi, I'm getting to try these things again for the first time since it's been years since I've even seen them. So that's very cool. And I've got a bunch more Indomie to review. I've got a bunch of other stuff. I just did a couple unboxings, so I'm definitely not low on stuff to review. Yeah. So yeah, it's pretty neat. And did I review it all last week? I did 2 days of reviewing last week, and this week it's Monday, and I've got 2 ready to go. Oh! This episode is the first one no, it's not. I'm doing things backwards today, too. I'm kind of discombobulated, but I'm getting my footing, getting everything back to the way it should be. Let's just do this, and I'll yammer more on the next episode, because I think I'll have more time to mess around with. I don't even have my plates that I'm going to use. Both of the ones that I'm doing today are without broth. I would like to be doing 4 reviews today, but I just didn't get around to it. Cheese ramen raiders are so lazy. Doing a lot of these curries lately, actually. Just get the vegetables and Doing the simmer sauces. I need to get black cardamom, I hear, from my international correspondent in Brixham, in Fishtown, in the UK, in England. It's like, what's the proper thing to call it? Is it England? Is it the UK? The UK is pretty expansive, isn't it? Do we not like to say England anymore? I like to say England. Everybody knows what you're saying when you say England. Here's our goo. This is a seasoned oil. The other one was a powder-based seasoning and some chili powder. And this one is seasoned oil and this stuff right here. This is sweet soy sauce. Sweet, thick. Yeah. Sticky too. Almost like molasses. It's molasses-like. Let's see. Yeah, that's just silly. But Rendang, yes. It's been too long without the Rendang. So what I was going to say is that this is the first episode using the RPFD. Like, what is that? You'll have to find out on the next episode. I will show you the RPFD. And you'll go, wow, Ramen Raider, you're the only person who thinks that's cool. I confused a lot of people with it. And they continue to be confused. Which is fine. I ask people, what do you think this thing is? And then they just like saw one part of it. Wow. Yum. That. Now. What am I gonna use to plate this with? I generally go for the black plate on these. I think I will yet again. Which plate's this? Oh, that's the red plate. That's right. I found the red plate in the mailroom. Red plate's alright. No. I'll do the black plate. This one came from a thrift store. It did. Gonna do my standard, put it in a cup, dump it out. It works. At least it seems to. I like how it works. See? Kind of mounds it up. Don't I have any fried onion? I do. So we've got fried onion. I wish I would have held on to, I had some coriander I was going to use, but I can't really use that when I don't have it anymore. I used it in the curry. And it's now gone. I'm just going to use a little bit of this spring onion right here. Almost looks like a slaw of types. Then we got, why don't I use some of this crushed red pepper right about now? What a mess, Ramen Raider. No, you'll see. I need this spatula. Uh-oh. Yeah. No. Yeah. Kind of curious what I'm going to do with the next one. I think the next one I'm doing today might not really get much of any garnish. There's my egg. Egg's okay. It's an okay egg. An okay. Just a little bit. Sesame seed. I know. Not an extremely. It's kind of inauthentic, I'm guessing, but it kind of. I'm just trying to make it look pretty. Kinda. Trying. I try. There's noises. Well, just rotate. Yeah, do that. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one I'm going to have here is this bull ramen hot fire, extra hot. I think it's basically supposed to be like a 2x spicy bulldog clone. So that is what is next up. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. And yeah, have a good one. Bye-bye.